Hey, it's Chris here from Screen Print Direct, coming to you guys from Mesa Print Co. Thanks again for letting us check out your shop. So I'm showing you guys our newest product, our AP 2-in-1, which stands for Degreaser and Dehazer. So this product will degrease your screen and clean it from contaminants, so your emulsion will have a nice clean slate to attach itself to your screen, and it'll dehaze or remove your ghost image from your previous print. And this is important because it'll get you a good consistent coat of emulsion and your image will come out nice. It'll also protect your mesh, and not only that, this is a non-corrosive formula where it won't hurt your skin and burn your skin like a lot of other of our competitors. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to use this. This step is going to be after you remove your emulsion, and I'd recommend using a separate scrub brush for each step. So you would want to use a scrub brush specifically for degreasing. So we're going to grab the scrub brush, we're going to grab some of the degreaser, and degrease both sides of the screen. And once you're done scrubbing it, you're going to let it sit for a couple minutes and you can come back. Alright, now that we've let it sit for a couple minutes, you want to spray your screen down from the top of the screen down. Make sure you're removing all the contaminants and particles from it. Now that you've removed all the degreaser, just let your screen dry and it'll be ready to coat your next screen of emulsion on. Thanks, guys.